All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our pre-market post-wave report for trading on Sunday, March the 26th, 2023. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. Not going to hold you long. Let's jump right into it. So here is the Bitcoin futures. You can see we have a crash alert to start the week off. The market has been consolidating, not really moving, no real commitment on the bulls or the bears side. Just remember, though, you are in a bear market and you have a bullish trend momentum reading. So it's still at the buy the dip that's still on. But with this crash alert, it could be telling us that the market is ready to drop. And we just came off of a neutralization, the 2-day neutralization. Now the market's back on. So it looks like the market may be topping out here and ready to pull back like we did back here. Almost the exact same pattern. Look at that. 2 neutralizations followed by a crash alert, then a huge down move. So I think we're about to see the same thing here. So just be ready. Next up, we have silver futures. And on this one, you see the market is in a bull market. Still have a bullish trend momentum reading. So the market is still in a buy the dip. So every pullback seen in this market on an intraday level, it's being bid. I think the market still wants to make this run up to 25. That's the upside initial target on silver. Next up, we got nat gas. Nat gas is still in a bear market, and we had a crash alert. The market moved down just slightly. Then we just got a flip flop. We got a rally alert now with the neutralization bar to boot. So don't know if the market can get anything going. The last rally alert, the market did go up a little bit, but came right back down. So maybe the second time's the charm. But just remember, you got a bearish trend momentum reading in a bear market. So the bear market is still locked in until it isn't. All right. Next up is the Dow futures. You see here the Dow is in a bull market configuration with a bearish trend momentum reading. I told you about the bearish signal we got here, this negative bot check, and you saw the downside production already starting. We're right here at a precipice. There's 32,000 psychological support. If it does not hold, then the 52-week low automatically becomes the next target, downside target, which is back here. All right, so just be ready, folks. You got a bearish trend momentum reading. So this market is still in sell the rally mode with mad upside resistance areas to overcome. Next up, we got the NASDAQ 100. Bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. And now we got a neutralization bar. On Friday, we got day 2 of a neutralization bar. But with this crash alert, I'm expecting that once the neutralization comes off, the downside will resume in the NASDAQ 100. Next up, we got gold. Now, gold is in a bull market and had a bullish trend momentum reading. But when we came out of the neutralization process, now you got a crash alert. So it looks like the market's ready to pull back, but and you're no longer in a buy the pullback status. It's the beginning of a bearish trend momentum reading. So that's a sell the rallies mode. So looks like we have a short-term top here in gold. And remember what I told you, gold has a real hard problem staying above 1900 for any length of time. So this could be a rapid decline back down below 1900 coming for gold. Next up, we have the S&P 500. It's in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. So the bear market is locked in. One thing I want to point out is that with this negative bot check you had a few days ago, right the day after you got a little down move. This is not what a bot check does. A bot check is a leg down, not a little bar down. Like the last one you had back here, you got a leg down. You have not got a leg down yet in your S&P, but it's coming. The one before this one was back here. leg down. Every time you see these negative bot checks, it always proceeds with a leg lower. So I'm waiting for that to come into fruition to start things off this week with a sell the rally mode with the bearish trend momentum reading in the S&P 500. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, which means the market is trying to continue to buy the dips to try to stage a nice bear market rally, but the market has struggled with that. We'll see if the bearish pointer on Friday will be defended. You got a support right here around $65. If that doesn't hold, then you make new 52-week lows. So crude oil is under all types of selling pressure at the moment. But right now, the bulls got the slight edge with the buy the dip mode on. So we'll see what oil can do. Looking at the Russell My Hustle, it's in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And we just got a neutralization bar on Friday with a bearish pointer to boot. So we're looking for sideways to slightly lower prices to start the week off in the Russell. Next up is the US dollar index. US dollar index, excuse me, it's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, which means you're in a buy the dip. So it looks like the market on Friday decided to defend when it got down here near the 101 support that we talked about. Now we have a rally alert for Monday, for Sunday night into Monday, which means the euro will probably pull back a little bit. And you got these major supports down here on the dollar. So if 101 doesn't hold, the next downside target is down here between 97 and 98. So we'll see what the dollar can do. So far, the dollar's been resilient in keeping itself from falling down too hard. All right, here's the Ethereum futures, same as the Bitcoin. Got a crash alert for Sunday night into Monday morning. You've been in a sideways contingency going on 7 days now. So we'll see if the market can do something about that. And we'll see. But the buy the pullback is off. You had a bullish trend momentum reading in a bear market, which said, okay, the market was trying to do a bear market rally, but then you just dropped off. That dropped off on Thursday, and on Friday is bar number one, day one of a bearish trend momentum reading. So now you flip from buy the dip to sell the rally mode and a crash alert for Sunday night into Monday morning to start the week off in Ethereum. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we got for now. Hopefully you're having a good weekend. So go back and enjoy what remains of it. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Remember, the system works if you work the system. So make money, not excuses. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace. Smash that like button.